marketing work? When does affiliate marketing actually work? So we're gonna go into the mindset. So let's start off with how mindset affects of how affiliate marketing works. The first thing you need to understand is it's not a get rich quick, and it's also not a scam. The entire business model is real. Business like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, they all use this type of business model, right? So how does it work? Well, it depends on how you connect with your audience and how they can look up to you, right? And how to solve your problem. They're looking to solve a problem, or they have a desire they want, or to make a change. Ask yourself about what is your why? Like why do you want that desire? Why do you want to make a change? Right? Like for example, think about why you want to get started. Maybe it's to quit your job, maybe it's spending time with loved ones, like your family and friends. Maybe you want to be a role model, maybe you want to be an influencer helping others. The whys are endless, so you can pick your why, and none of your whys are going to be stupid. Okay, I want you to think that nothing you want to do is stupid. Everything you want to do has a reason and has a purpose. So now you have your why in place. How committed and consistent will you be, right? Because everyone always says that, oh, I'm ready, and I'm gonna do this every day until I get this goal or this desire. But that's not true though, because not every day is gonna be like rainbows, right? It's gonna be rainy days where you're gonna be like, oh, I woke up, I'm not in a good mood, or I woke up, I don't feel like doing this today. This isn't working, so I don't think this is gonna work. So I'm gonna put it off to the side, or all the excuses you can make to not do it, because you know that the thing that you shouldn't be the thing that you should always be doing is the thing that you're always going to try to avoid. It's not just this is how it just is in general, right? So you have three options pretty much. I forgot to put it in the slideshow, but it's whether you're gonna learn this thing and master it, or you're gonna have to go back to a 9 to 5 and work for someone else for the rest of your life to retire, or you're gonna find a different side hustle, which isn't affiliate marketing, right? So you need to train your mindset to stop the self doubts and any other roadblocks, any other negativity that's gonna pop up on your journey, because this journey is based on you and how you're gonna connect with people that could understand what you have to say, right? So most people can't even stay committed to affiliate marketing for like not even a month. That's the honest truth. Because most people, even though you give them free information, they don't actually even do anything with it. They might watch it, but if you don't do anything with it, you aren't gonna actually learn anything. Okay. So most people can actually get the needle going, but they stop too soon. So let's say they go for a month or 6 months or maybe a year, and they get no results, and then throughout the whole year they burn out, and they just be like, it doesn't work. It's a scam. I tried it. It doesn't work. Right? Hey, yeah, that's obviously what all the people are gonna say. I said that when I first started my first 6 months, right? So if affiliate marketing works when you're determined to stay committed and consistent. This doesn't just apply to affiliate marketing, but applies to pretty much anything you want to do in life. Whether it's trying to get fit, whether it's trying to get nice teeth, just everything is gonna decide on your commitment and your consistency. So you want fast results. Well, first you need to change it and master your mindset. It can take weeks, months, or even years. For me, it took me about like a good 6 months before I made my first penny online, and I can tell you that was like one of the best feelings is seeing my first penny online. I didn't care whether it was 10 cents or $1. I saw my first 10 cents online. I was, oh my gosh, I made my first 10 cents. It was like, this is real. It's not scam. It works. The model works, because once you feel the first taste of that commission, or pretty much your first penny online, it just feels so good. It makes you want to go even further. You know that the results are there now, and then now that you experienced it, your whole mindset changes. The whole game changes. You're going to see the world different. And then the results that you want to make is going to be different, because it's based on how determined you are to make it work without giving up yourself, right? So this is the quick presentation about how to make affiliate marketing work. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.